Hi everyone and welcome back to my nature garden. I hope you enjoyed last week's videos and that you managed to get out into your own gardens and have some mini beast adventures of your own. Now this week we're going to be talking about something a little bit different, and that is life cycles. So humans and other animals may look very different, but we all have at least one thing in common, and that is that we are all born, we grow and we get older, and we have children, and then these children also grow and get older and may have children of their own as well, and this is called a life cycle. So it's not just humans and animals that have a life cycle, plants also do as well, and that's what we're going to talk about today. Now the world is filled with lots of different plants like flowers and trees and fruits and vegetables, and most of these grow from a seed or a bulb. So seeds are made by the tree and then they are released, and then they can either be planted by humans, buried by animals, and some even get blown by the wind. Now, did you know that some seeds are actually eaten by animals such as bears and elephants, and then they get pooed out the other side, and that actually helps the plant grow? Some seeds, like this horse chestnut seed, however, are actually collected by squirrels, and the squirrels like to bury them, and then they forget where they put them, and then sometimes they actually grow as well. And that's what's happened with this horse chestnut tree here. So a squirrel's been in our nature garden, collected a conker, planted it in the ground to come back later and forgot completely about it. And now we've got a lovely little horse chestnut seedling growing in our nature garden. So let's have a closer look at some plant life cycles.
Once a seed has left the plant, it is either planted, buried, or even pooed out into the ground. There, it needs water to start growing. This is called germination. The seed will begin to grow roots that reach deep into the soil to find water. Above the ground, the seed will grow shoots with leaves that stretch upwards to find light shining down from the sun. The plant will grow flowers, which are then pollinated by bees and other insects, allowing them to turn into fruits. These fruits contain seeds, and the whole cycle will start again.
So even though they're very different, I'm sure you can agree that a plant's life cycle is just as amazing as an animal's. And maybe next time you go outside and you see plants like trees and flowers growing, you can remember the journey that they've been on to get to where they are. Now join me again tomorrow, where we're going to talk about some more life cycles, and I hope you've enjoyed it, and I'll see you soon.